Cartagena.
Wow. Ay, papa. Yup. I recall pulling up in second grade with the Wolverine boots. They was laughing at me because I couldn't afford Timbs. I was fucked up. I recall pulling up in fourth grade with the moccasins I got in Columbia. They wasn't Clarks, but they was Wallabies. Them shit started calling me John Smith and that motherfucker. But now we rockin' with the motherfucking Soul Assassins. Imagine that. Whoa, whoa. I wake up feeling unstoppable. Get in the drop and drop the top even though I'm legitimately bronchial. That's probably irresponsible. I am. Said I wake up feeling unstoppable. Drop the top even though I'm legitimately bronchial. Ay, ay, ay. Whoa. The bullet tips match the Franks. Got lames bragging about their aim, but ain't pop shit since people was using aim. You delusional or deranged. Those just empty threats to save face. We been in the same place, you ain't even say hey. With that Fugazi name like you weighed weight, you wouldn't spray Glade. No. We count pesos in Monterrey and live for the day. Cause life is uncertain like your 401k. So relax and just let the record play. You need to relax. For the record, you can't deny my heritage or try to segregate. Tengo más cultura en una de mis uñas than any one of these underground featherweights. You looking at Helter Skelter on the tape with the melt your face lingo. I'm getting mines, might fly to San Miniato or Santo Domingo. Yeah, I might. I'm popping bottles, but not to drown my sorrows. Nah, I came to celebrate. The anecdotes I put in the note gave hope to my homie and his cellmate. Next time I see him, I'ma give him a loaf. Not cause I owe him, he just held up his end of the oath. And his baby mother ain't been picking up the phone. Funky bitch. Shit's cold, you probably get the chills, just imagine it. Me, I had balance, I'm with the college and had krills in the cabinet. I was still figuring out about my talent then. Unsure of myself, but the homies was adamant, so I kept at it with dedication. Okay. They swore I hit the earth like a comet or must have fell out of a spaceship. Nah, it was persistence, practice, preparation, and some patience. That's it. It took forever and a day. Now even when my skies is gray, I find a way to shine. Hold paper like a staple off my radiant and grateful mind. Wow. It took forever and a day. Now even when my skies is gray, I find a way to shine. Wow, I'm shining. Yeah. It took forever and a day. Now even when my skies is gray, I find a way to shine. Shine. I'ma keep it a buck with you. Sometimes I wake up and I go, shit, I'm Crimeapple. Say that. This is lit. I be forgetting, man. I be forgetting. I be forgetting. You see me shining, boy. Fuck out of here. You crazy? You throwing salt? We talking this and that. Motherfuckers got funny money. Don't mind. Stupid. Don't mind. Fuck out of here, bozo.
I wanna tell you something.
Yeah. All my bills blue. Yeah. Navy blue. Yeah. Baby blue. Bring a friend too. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. You never know what to expect with me. I got mad styles. Need forklift certification. How I let the cash pile. All the thoughts wanna come and milk me. They heard I was a cash cow. Cause I only wear turtlenecks and bump jazz now. Garrison Lane for the pain. I paint pictures with words. The champagne wasn't Veuve. Well, get that shit to the birds. She wanna see me break bread, I might cop her some kicks. She on my dick, I cut her off quick for trying to hop in my flicks. Bathtubs full of Veuve, wallet full of quesito. I've been doing my thing, DM full of besitos. A man said he fuck with crime, pero solo poquito. Bitch, I'm gargling Clico, catching marlins on speedboats. Whipping a mantequilla like it misbehaved. Double my pay, limelight without hitting the stage. Lames talking greasy, but that's just for play. Everybody a barber, nobody getting fades. Shit, I got something for your stubble if you try. Trouble outside, clippers in the bubble like Kawhi. Bye, boom, bye, bye. I'm shooting corks in the sky. I smile, it's like the 4th of July. Bathtubs full of Veuve. The little bitch got in the mood. Told her she could bring a friend too. Bathtubs full of Veuve. What the fuck is wrong with you? I'ma need all my bills blue. The overcoat, a classic with the toe to match it. Smoking gases, turn a microphone on, you might as well throw the matches. I've shown a talent for leaving everything blown to fragments. And you know it's Soul Assassins till they close the casket. And even afterward, we'll be burning paper, counting pollo asado, emptying out bottles. And I don't even know why you bitches are still breathing. Run of the mill decent, hitting my line pleading, looking for a helping hand. The handout, I stand out, feeling like Matt Pinfield, I bring the bands out. You drop some bullshit, but got a hand in your pockets. In the weekend, I'm burning through your advance on Collins. I be at Puerto Desagua, ropa vieja with Cubans. And I ain't talking to link, I only link with improvements. More product than I can move, I ship shit to every continent. I'm modest, cause just me living to see it is an accomplishment. Wow, I can't believe this shit right now. Do you believe this? Yeah, I'll have to call you back, bro. Mug's over here handing out Veuve like it's Capri Sun or something. Bathtubs full of Veuve. The little bitch got in the mood. Told her she could bring a friend too. Bathtubs full of Veuve. What the fuck is wrong with you? I'ma need all my bills blue. Bathtubs full of Veuve. Little bitch got in the mood. Told her she could bring a friend too. Bathtubs full of Veuve. What the fuck is wrong with you? I'ma need all my bills blue. Damn. Navy blue, baby blue. Maybe you should pay me too. Maybe. Yeah. I said navy blue, baby blue. Maybe you should pay me too. Wow.
Gotta smell the bag, and you gotta smell if the shit is official. If it's not official, when you smell the bag, you can smell the bag. Don't fuck with it.
Wow. You know. Wow. You want that poodle? Háblame, papá. Wow.
Cartagena.
Sobbing pen, clocking in your pocket thin. What's chips without the dip? Need a grip, I can't give out the flip for low amounts. What's this? Mississippi River drip, get off the dick, liver lips. I'm living, you gotta live with it. You swimming in insignificance. I'm swimming in coochie mist and dividends. Living this movie, bitch. Seats in the camioneta, same color as my muñeca. Date quieto desde lejos, have you breathing menos? I been for queso while you pleading, needing me to let go. Choking the game like PJ till we on a PJ, eating PB&J, sipping E&J in a convenient space. I'm never losing touch, we flew for a slew of bucks. Watching my paper turn purple and blue like somebody went and bruised it up. They be like, yo, crime cool as fuck. I'm just doing my due diligence, but if dude did it malicious, then you know we gotta move him up. Where the gates pearly, cremate the wait early. Going 8 for like 60 minutes straight, leaving at 8:30. Shirley, wow. You want that Buddha? You don't gotta hope, here's your chance. You know who got that dope on demand. You don't gotta hope, here's your chance. You know who got that dope on demand. Wow. Bitch said crime, you know magic. I said, como no. I grin, you see auto glow. When the winter snow approach, I'm trying to go to the Poconos for throat with a Cambodian hoe. Call it arepa de chocolo. But that's something that only the homies would know. Tony pulled up with the doozy. Like, excuse me, had everybody doing the Watusi. Shit, I don't even be wearing Gucci. But please believe me, ironically, everything is Gucci. I'm watching the world burn while the flowers blossom. Quarantine, I was playing possum, probably laid up with a Natasha. Formulating burundanga, dope on demand. You know I get throw it in the van and I get low when I can. Damn, I might pop up in Birmingham serving yams. You got a nervous hand. This that work, I should birth and get 30 bands. Man. Ay, papa. You want that Buddha? You don't gotta hope, here's your chance. You know who got that dope on demand. You want that Buddha? You don't gotta hope, here's your chance. You know who got that dope on demand. You don't gotta hope, here's your chance. You know who got that dope on demand. Said you don't gotta hope, here's your chance. You know who got that dope on demand. Man, Tony pulled up with the doozy. Like, excuse me, had everybody doing the Watusi. I don't even be wearing Gucci, but please believe me, ironically, everything is Gucci. Tony pulled up with the doozy. Like, excuse me, had everybody doing the Watusi. I don't even be wearing Gucci, but please believe me, I'm living life, man. Wow.
They're cutting that shit with heroin. Okay. I know.
But I'm telling you the truth.
You gotta official. Otherwise, that fucking shit is cut with hair on it. I'm telling you real, because they want to stretch it. What dealer, tell me this, my G. Tell me, G, my G. Tell me this. What dealer doesn't want to stretch?
Bitch wanna FaceTime me in the session. Talking about what you doing, I'm horny. You horny, bitch. I'm in a different time zone. She's talking about get on the PJ. What is wrong with you? This silly bitch. Yeah. Gravity gotta cease to exist. You come up with something this fly, showing you my net profit, it might fuck up your high. Collect watches, I got nothing but time. Licking the ride, I ain't trying to get slumped in the ride. Nah, it seems I'm like Keenan picking up on the vibe. Motherfuckers is thought I can see it in their eyes. I don't know if it's the fact y'all ain't recoup or you running with goof, or the fact your bitch sending me news telling me that I'm cute. I take a cue from Uncle Luke and tell her pop that pussy. Little bitch, come sock it to me. You better learn to let that bitch go. Somewhat of a light stepper if you stepping on my toes. Or you didn't mean to impose, well I suppose that's why he froze. Stub nose on his nose, nobody knows. My flow's on wax, that's a kilo measured. What they dropping, that's placebo effect shit. Your ego is threatened, I'm a human at receibo message. God made me, you never ever seen such effort. Watching all the flowers bloom while I'm tanning in Cancun. You just a buffoon on my vinyl like family heirlooms. Problems I got a handful, but it's nothing I can't do. Whenever shit be getting hairy, I come up with the shampoo. I made the butter go and gave him nothing but samples. When Jada was weighing dope on the shit the way Shamu. Vacation on the coast, 30 on me, Julius Randle. Fall off, bitch, I don't plan to. Nah.
Straight into the pot out the birdcage. Probably swimming like mermaid. Stole Jesus Rose on the third day. Balenciaga fur drape. They like stove up in the air, bitch, I'm worth the wait. They like stove what it calls bitches 38. 23 for a half a plate. Why would you ever buy half a plate? If it don't cook right, I just can't sleep. I sent my shooters in the Rubicon Jeep. My dog said he living just as good as he did on the street. He up north ballin', he Fred Van Vliet. Ran the price up, then brought the stock home. Swear these rap niggas gotta have Stockholm. How you been getting raped for years and you still not gone? I'm the gold wrist pot on. Stole Jesus, throwing crown on my head while I rock raw. Stuck off the realness, still water whipping as you feeling it. I dumped the cash out at the dealership. Chinchilla dragging out the S550 Benz, bitch, we a millionaire. If sky's the limit, drop the ceiling in. And if it's holes in the investigation, boy, don't you go fill it in. Straight into the pot out the birdcage. Probably swimming like mermaid. Stole Jesus Rose on the third day. Balenciaga fur drape. They like stove up in the air, bitch, I'm worth the wait. They like stole what it calls bitches 38. 23 for a half a plate. Why would you ever buy half a plate?
You can order whatever you want, baby. I mean, I don't know how the shrimp is here, but the calamari is magnificent. I know you used to potato chips. You know what I'm saying? Cold cuts, but it's a new day. Enjoy yourself. I be in the telly counting pesos, breaking my ATL bitch back, bumping bankroll. Dutchess full of boss today. Connect name Jorge. Told me if rap slow up, he would help me fill the coche. I was like, no sé. Started with some verses. Now they watching me close, wanting me to consider mergers. I ain't even doing the most. Truth be told, I'm hardly working. My paper come automatic. It's been package after package after package. Pulled up with a duck in the range. You was sitting there holding out a cup, shaking some change. Ain't it strange? We used to have scrambled eggs for dinner. Now I deal with inventors. Venice Beach for the winter. I might ski in the summer, or I might be in the tundra with a hood rat bitch. You gon' want some Nikes if I fuck her. What the fuck if she roll a blunt and always wanna suck dick? It's fine. When I'm finished, she can go crazy in the finish line. Until another bitch start hitting me and she got upset. Took them Air Maxes back quick and said, watch your step. Ponte que dice estúpida, tranquilita. Got the foreign outside with your shorty smoking gas in it. Told her I'll be back, I'm about to get the bag. If it's all about the chips, you know who got the potatoes. You know who got the potatoes, baby. Got the foreign outside with your shorty smoking gas in it. Told her I'll be back, I'm about to get the bag. If it's all about the chips, you know who got the potatoes. Yeah, you know Soul Assassin's the label. In the club, N92 mask on, letting ruffles fly. In Medellin, I got a cool ranch. If you come inside, you gon' see a techo de vidrio from dead gringos. Statements from a bank that I constantly fed Pringles. Shit to leave you crispy in the ride, cause you gotta be cautious. Shit, I was wise when everybody was salty. Now all my bitches is freaky and them kids is all queasy. Counted up for an hour, now my fingers all cheesy. And yeah, I got enemigos, but that ain't nothing to me, so I call up my dos amigos, throw them a bag of Tostitos. Like handle that and dip, you would think powder was the substance. They got me laying in hammocks, smoking sour cream and onions. It's nothing, let a lame talk slick, cause he's sloppy. They gon' find him with something in his neck the size of a taki. No karate, don't wanna hear my name on a bum's lips. Might wind up in a bag if you been plotting on sun chips. Got the foreign outside with your shorty smoking gas in it. Told her I'll be back, I'm about to get the bag. If it's all about the chips, you know who got the potatoes. You know who got the potatoes, baby. I got like 4 potatoes on me right now. With your shorty smoking gas in it. I'm about to get the bag if it's. You know who got the potatoes. Manteca the label. What?
Crimeapple. DJ Monks.
You know when the Holy Ghost is flowing.
Se soltó la manzana.
Yeah, yeah.
A lo bravo, a lo bravo.
On my testes, all you see is Versace and lipstick. Natural vino, eating fried squid at the picnic. I don't even hear your whispers, my shorty ass shaking like a biscuit. Pretentious dicks who diss and they probably got syphilis. Just for your sickness, make sure the stick came with extensions. You know what they say, it's really just a game of inches. I might pull up in a Lexus asking questions with a stocky menace. Not to mention, have you looking like Rocky Dennis, not impressive. Got the lessons, move with class, but like the black and mild up. Still like the town up, like we in the crib, like an announcer. Count up the C's Caucasoid president facials. In my bed with a Rachel, getting that, watching cable. You let these lames gas and inflate you, turn kids to bagels. My table hold plenty of wagyu, you not able. I spill Prego, make your toupee nasal. Came from the same state as Hussein Fatal. Wow, y'all got that cheap work. Your verse like a GoFundMe page. We in that getting money stage. Thinking, is there any other stage? Y'all starving, would've been better off with a 9-to-5 minimum wage. In the crib with a tab on my tongue, watching Beastmaster with a Dominican meat waxer. Cut her off, but I'm relapsing. Going places you might actually need a ski mask in. Like Aspen is freezing, but inside of me is heat trapped in. Pyroclastic, perhaps it's this paper clip with attachments. Clip your bitch ass for your paper, then pour drinks to your absence. Decadent meals, sometimes I get left with the bill. That's bullshit, I take care of the bill. Tell my rich homies chill. I pop a pill in Brazil, they get neck on the Zan. I said I'm on a boat smoking a black and mild like Lieutenant Dan. Force my hand, torch the van, some shit you just gotta burn it off. I put a pencil on your face like Kerwin Frost. Turn shit off unless it's mine or one or two other guys. I used to be shy, now bitches meet me and get butterflies. Listen, bitch, please don't make me turn into that other guy. Send a sub to have you smelling like the subway in the summertime. Y'all got that cheap work, your verse like a GoFundMe page. We in that getting money stage. Thinking, is there any other stage? Y'all starving, would've been better off with a 9-to-5 minimum wage. Selling that basura, bye. ¿Cómo fue? Tú sabes lo que es esto, bye. Calidoso. Ay, ay, ay.
playing now. 95.5.
From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. Sound good? Wow. From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. Wow. You know you're dead, right? Wow. Y'all be forging cosigns. Stop taking pictures when I don't know guys. That shows they know every shit of mine is a gold mine. For nietas who throw signs and ride or die bitches that don't mind seeing one of these fuck boys get his toes tied. Guys be lying with their nose dry for coke lines. You sitting there swearing you in the game when you roll pine. Me, I'ma pull up at the reception with a nose job and a bow tie. Flip, dip, then get rid of the stick like a post stop. Dog from the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. Rock designer label, touch lettuce like chopped tomato. She wanna fuck, I say quizás, maybe, maybe not. Gray drop, Ishishito peppers and filet mignon. We champagne poppers, pop up like Phantom of the Opera. Hopped in a chopper, was famished, had lobster, ravioli. The workout smokers looking like Chloe. Fuck a rollie, I might cop a ranch somewhere out in Muskogee, somewhere low key. Where everybody you think that they know me won't be. Bitch, I'm a dip like formaldehyde stogies. Dog from the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. What else? From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. Rock designer label, touch lettuce like chopped tomato. I'ma let it breathe for a minute. I'ma let you breathe for a minute. I told you was there, right? I said I got these hoes jogging like Bill Paxton watching tornadoes. Marble cake tables, hunchback clock gable, but named Pedro. I link with mugs, all we do is make fuego. Me, I need a stable full of sables and Ayana angels. Okay. My pops used to steal cable, but now we got dreidels. This is top tier talk. I'm good on the smearing off. You might see me twirl the barbecue sauce, automobile off. Pushing a buck something, your hun sucking on a stub muffin pecker. You know that bitch know the drill like Black and Decker. I'm electric, got on the stage shitting on skeptic, septic. Entertainer like Cedric, behold the desert. I measure equity, then ran this man's over in a Cherokee. I can hear the bone snap like celery. Cracking up, some of y'all funny, I might fuck around and weep. Stop, drop a couple thousand on sheep just for the fleece. That's just the fleece. Lamb grease in my beard somewhere in Greece. All these unique freaks in the penthouse shaking ass cheeks. On repeat, slide like Larry Flint, had to bury friends. Burberry print on a stench with the jacket lift. No activist, I'm with an ayahuasca shaman bonding. Man, my demons ain't make it out of the tropics. From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. From the cradle to the grave, back to the cradle. Rock designer label, touch lettuce like chopped tomato.
Cartagena.
I don't care about the bullshit, just buy dope from me. Always hear this guy, this guy, that. I mean, they catch me eating breakfast at the airport and need a flick, bro. You feel me? Let's get it. I don't care about the bullshit, just buy dope from me. I moved the pen far. You share the fate of a mentor. I flex the legs that resemble Reptar and peel your bitch like a centaur. I got a couple cents and all, but I still know who my friends are. My homie Slip, we got some tenderonis for the send-off. My wet backwash, yet never seen sloshed. Since I had Oshkosh Bagosh, I had a very clean watch. The parakeets flock, I tend to mistrust. Plus suckers is salty and wanna clip us. Crush a potato chip, motherfucker, in the chip dust. Get your chips up. I go out of my way to owe no favors. Favored by the real risk takers who out here splitting the plate up and let some shit sit in your shape up. Throwing shade, but your bae just sip rosé till her face is like the watch and got rosacea. Came back from Croatia with different shades of paper in mind. While rappers really trying to pay to get signed, but we don't pay it no mind. I just noticed, but whatever floats your boat, it's more than one way to skin a cat. Any respect you lose, you can't get it back. People always talking about reputation. I don't care about the bullshit, just buy dope for me. I got Eric Benet issues with pussy tissue. Hit the cookie to the whoopee cushion trickle. I sent ripples into infinity. Both shoes, some good dope, and bad hoes is how you picture me. Retain the mystery, the trickery, it never get to me. Literally took 2 years, how you caught all those bodies? Keep the wallet on cuatro formaggi. Mind, spirit, and body, it stay intact. I'm everywhere, it's hard to see distance. When you flew to South Beach just for Prime 112's cheese biscuits. Please, bitches, I got room for you, and these bitches. Feel free to kick it, all of the accoutrements is ridiculous. Micronesian concubine, don't fuck with porcupine. The crazy young bitch try to cut me, I guess she must have lost her mind. All the signs I listen and watch. I just had a mission to cop a couple of acres later while you was pinching the crops. You living or not, the pockets was thin, but now we all up in syndication. I'm eating dog, it's green in the walls, there ain't no insulation. Eggshell in the spaceship that I rest my ass upon. I used to be a vagabond, but nowadays I got Catalan. Aye. And it's a fine line to straddle on. Aye. People always talking about reputation. Okay. I don't care about the bullshit, just buy dope for me. Wow. Ay, papá. Como siempre es un peligro, ustedes ya saben. Tengo hambre, ya saben cómo va la vuelta. Wow. Gotta be wary of these dusty fucks when your shit got more clarity. Spin your Camry like Sean Hannity. Candidly, y'all panicking, I'm working on my tan, swimming with manatees. Out in Cape Cod for a lime, Ricky letting a couple dimes lick me. Your shit iffy, who really got it litty city to city? This little Brazilian bitch with me probably run the itty bitty titty committee. I had dirty 50s when Diddy was dropping Biggie duets. Bart Simpson on my chest with Miss Piggy inside of the Lex. In 2020, all I really see is 3 6s and police killings. An orange pedophile on TV tripping. Nasty motherfucker. I breathe emissions, hunt chicken and get buns consistent. Shorty wanna let me twist it in the living room, in the kitchen, forget it. Facts. I grind to get it, guys bitching, who divide the difference? I'm on it different, if I die I don't have many regrets to mention. Said I wouldn't and I did it, they frontin' on me, I couldn't forget it. Now I'm getting amnesia and the feed just setting. I need the paper and the paper, what else? And the paper, anything else? Some more paper, okay, thank you. Fuck with mine, I probably scrape ya. Oh no, whoa. I need the paper. Now we cast over Jacques down, rockin' Casablanca and Calabasas. Cathartic catalyst in my cassette, the fans had to have the shit. Haven't been seen in kicks that wasn't brand new in like 22 months. Pepe Le Pew, I catch the honeydew that none of you touch. My money grew up, this adulthood, I'm Stella on the Equifax. Extra facts, lame sending shots, now I probably send a blessing back. Next to that, a message on the bed with the horse head attached. Don't ever lack, if I ever catch you slipping, then that's a Reynolds rap. You probably need a metal cap, you probably hoping several devils set me back. I'm on the type of level where only a legend can end up at. With that said, I'm still humble as a mumble in the jungle. Cause I clearly remember eating junk food with a bundle in my grundle. I need the paper and the paper. What else? And the paper. Anything else? Some more paper. Okay, thank you. Fuck with mine, I probably scrape ya. Oh no. I need the paper and the paper. What else? And the paper. Anything else? Some more paper. Okay, thank you. Fuck with mine, I probably scrape ya. Oh no. I need the paper.
You motherfuckers is nasty. Nasty fingernails, no manicure having.
Crimeapple.
Pocketbook thieves.
DJ Monks.
Woo! Gotta take a sip of water. Good gracious. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious Ignatius. Wow. I know God very well. Don't mind. God knows me. Whoa. Jacuzzi with the suds, patchouli with the skunk. I'm living life. Hey yo, this Uzi weighs a ton. I'm usually in a rush. This one's a doozy, isn't it? I'm John Belushi with the plug. All we do is drop drugs, pop these floozies and they guts. Take that, bitch. The Cali blunt had me stuck, staring through the clear roof. Having visions while I'm sitting in these European vehicles. I cried tears of joy, my laughter feeling like crunches. I'm having gastronomic lunches. I could probably bag a Duchess or something. Shit, I might could fuck Kate Hudson. But where's Vanessa Hudgens? Nah, I don't want no smoke with Kurt Russell. Yo, let me burn a couple. My Helly Hansen tactical. my mathematical proclivities. They got me getting esophagus somewhere out in the Philippines. Man, is you shitting me? I've been the shit since when? God. Ay, Dios. I said I've been the shit since I was watching TGIF on Fridays, watching Snick on Saturdays. You dig? Wow. In 03, my heart skipped a beat when I flipped the VTech. But God had other plans, He wasn't coming for me yet. Now I'm in different time zones, provolone is the preset. We blessed. The day I die, God gon' need some Kleenex. Provolone is the preset. We blessed. The day I die, God gon' need some Kleenex. Shout to the up and coming. Yeah, you coming up, but I'ma run this until like 2020 something. We're having a budget that's non-existent. Deep dish whips kidded. My sweater knitted and it's fitting me snug. Once upon a time I had a bundle tucked. Now people giving me drugs. Shit, I hardly do them. I know that shit can lead to ruin, and I'm being prudent. I'm more or less addicted to getting pussy and making this music. And dropping queso. Shots echo, you might drop a dedo, but I don't get no satisfaction from hearing anybody mama bellow. I'd rather go to Monticello and quintuple up, cop another truck. I'm out here shitting on them with the bubble guts. Look how I bubbled up. Past the Pepto. This summer, I'ma sweat Prosecco. I'm looking like Guillermo Gecko. No me falta el respeto. Nothing regular about me when I'm in this booth. God took His time with me. Yo soy pura ganancia, mi papá. Whoa. In 03, my heart skipped the beat when I flipped the VTech. But God had other plans, He wasn't coming for me yet. Now I'm in different time zones, provolone is the preset. We blessed. The day I die, God gon' need some Kleenex. Yeah, provolone is the preset. We blessed. The day I die, God gon' need some Kleenex. Why you shitting on yourself? Can't be. Wow. Is that shit hard for you? Wow.
Cartagena.
You had your chance with it. We run this shit now. Oh, you ain't get the memo? Difference between us. What's that? You waiting on the check. Oh, you waiting on the check. I wanna cut the check. Facts. Selling candy in the lobby. Two-stepping on a Nazi. Made my deck, I do Pilates. Even family came to cop it. I link with mugs, it's catastrophic. I turned my pain into a profit. Turned the Camry to a Mozzie. Met your bitch and caught a body. Making sure the top is sloppy. While I'm bumping Pavarotti. You could call me Crime or call me Poppy. Turn your strip to Nagasaki. Summertime we ride Ducatis. Sometimes I'm geeking off the Molly. Medellin, Anunnaki. You might think Illuminati. Nah, that's the Elohim. Ain't no need no NG money schemes. We clean up the greens, alphabets looking for pesticide. My dialect switch when you hit my line enterprise. I got this money shit memorized. You got some funny shit in your genetics. My wave is authentic. I put on my people without hesitation. Don't need a percentage. The meek shall inherit. The meek shall inherit. The meek shall inherit. The meek shall inherit. The world is yours. I was down, now I'm way up. By the look of it, I'ma stay up. You can talk about it, I don't say much. Like a mute, something for you in my boot. I was down and got back up. Fell down again, had my back up against the wall. Now look at how we ball. Swagger like I'm playing ball. Swish. I was down eating guantleys. Memories that used to haunt me. Had a half an ounce in the coffee. Had a prosecutor trying to stalk me. Now I'm in the hills with a Filipina. We in the piscina, I whip out my pinga. Came a long way from the old esquina. I got a situation for my whole clique. This the soul assassin, Medellin cartel. Wanna board a plane, we the ones you tell. I don't wanna hear about Pablo or Don Fabio unless y'all go. So stick to the captain. I might be in traffic, equipped with a brick in Manhattan. I cross through the tunnel. Divided the bundles you purchase on PayPal. I love you, thanks for supporting. Caught my new tape, you can snort it. They say it's the rawest, they say I'm enormous. I say I'm a florist, I guess I'm just taking your orders. I'm shooting the lights out. Made a mistake with my paper, I had to pull white out. I spent the night out, came back when the sun was up. Now I do laps on the runner-up. Shaddy that's with me, burn gas like a Hummer truck. Burping on dick and she came with another duck. They all up on me, trying to double team, that's a bubble team. Whoa. I was down, now I'm way up. By the look of it, I'ma stay up. You can talk about it, I don't say much. Like I'm you, something for you in my boot. I was down and got back up. Fell down again, had my back up against the wall. Now look at how we ball. Swagger like I'm playing ball. Swish. Might have to give motherfuckers an MVP award. You know what I'm saying? Best shooting guard in the league. Got the rookie of the year on deck. You crazy? You lame motherfuckers better just bring the water and the towels. You riding pine. We came for the chip this year.
Assassins.
Ay, ay, ay. Toma. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Mi pasado era un lío, con lana en mis bolsillos, con ganas de hacer lo mío, pero no era sencillo. Ahora sobra el vino, muy lindo donde yo vivo. A veces me dicen gringo, pero están confundidos. Tranquilo, manejo Mercedes sin hacerle visaje. El carro tuyo lo rentaste para las redes sociales. Mi estilo es elegante, mi anillo lo más brillante. Si te apago las luces, pues ¿qué le hace? Still shining, rapeo es lo de menos, pero si quieren hablar de eso le pongo frenos. Presentame la pista, te devuelvo un cenicero. Como yo y el diablo nos conocemos. A mí me toca langosta, a ti el celo se nota. I just be stacking the torta, you just be capping, no jodas. Manteca siempre de moda y ando con asesinos. Tú en tu casa soplando coca, no has visto un kilo, no. Esto se va a poner peligrosísimo, papi. Te paso un blon lleno de químico, mami. Vamos a meter vicio, mami. Rapeo, pero no soy un rapero típico, mami. No. Tengo dólares, quiero más, ahógame. Got more cake but had a long day, bitch, sóame. Tengo dólares, quiero más, ahógame. Got more cake but had a long day, bitch, sóame. You live in squalor, talking keys, límpiate la nariz. Esto pega en Londres, esto pega en París. Mad at me cause I'm everything you couldn't ever be. If I die, Manteca live forever, no he don't ever leave. Hágase el bobo, pero deja de ser huevón. Esto pega en África, esto pega en Japón. Esto pega en México, la tema está chingón. I'm in a foreign, let a horn and I feed her the salchichón. Trabajo en vacación, comiendo un camarón. I'm popping en Bayamón, my pocket on pastelón. Your pocket on patacón, your verses lacking sazón. Ni siquiera un pescado, sos pato, no tiburón. A mí me dicen Juan, apellido Pan, se come todo rápido y ha pedido más. Bonchucheando en canciones, si los veo pues jamás ofrezco bendiciones. Si te veo se le va, se la vi. Calidoso, mantecoso on the beat. No features, me and these asquerosos never speak, no. Esto se va a poner peligrosísimo, papi. Te paso un blon lleno de químico, mami. Vamos a meter vicio, mami. Rapeo, pero no soy un rapero típico, mami. No. Tengo dólares, quiero más, ahógame. Got more cake but had a long day, bitch, sóame. Tengo dólares, quiero más, ahógame. Got more cake but had a long day, bitch, sóame. Wow.
Crimeapple. DJ Mox.
That's a nice dirt pillow you got there. Whoa. It's like motherfuckers is 12 feet deep right now. Whoa. R.I.P. Ay, papa, I bet you hate to see my shit buzzing. Pulling all this fly shit out the oven like it's nothing. cause it's nothing. I bet you make dying look disgusting. Yeah, I bet. Bread touching, bitches head hunting me, wanna trap my dick. Ain't that a trip? I had to live several lives so I can actually live. Got 2 L's rolled looking like a pack of Twix. A few elbows, but I'm too well known. Guess what, homie? I had to dip. Now my shit lavish. I told the ingrates y'all can have this ditch. Master flip. I went, took my pain and cooked it and sold a massive brick. That's legit. This shit really moving, but I ain't been a buffoon. I knew it. Long after these imbeciles have impregnated the Cubans, I'll be somewhere humid, sprinkling cumin on duck. Just your luck. Hated on my come up. Now you gotta watch and discuss like a resistant cuck. This drogas, my enemies paying for popola and Jack the Ola. Ayatollah. Your hoe be on my sofa in media hora. Wow. That bitch is dead. I bet you hate to see my shit buzzing. Pulling all this fly shit out the oven like it's nothing. Cause it's nothing. I bet you make dying look disgusting. I bet you make dying look disgusting. I bet you make dying look disgusting.
Let's go. Funds flowing, she busts it open. I ain't hoping, I'm knowing. That's right. My uncles got deported for what they brought in through Logan. Stay in motion, driving over to Tobin. This shit a sport. But of course, if you compare to my bro shit, your clip is short. Getting more to the point I can't fit in the door. Another board, running up the score. I've been here before. God, split your wig for the cars like a Twix bar. I'm only extending my arms for the niggas I live for. Going far, my missions never switch up. Protocol, I need it all. Play my position and keep the ball. Let's go. Si senor.
I bet you hate to see my shit buzzing. Pulling all this fly shit out the oven like it's nothing. Cause it's nothing. I bet you make dying look disgusting. I bet you hate to see my shit buzzing. Pulling all this fly shit out the oven like it's nothing. Cause it's nothing. I bet you make dying look disgusting. I bet you make dying look disgusting.
Cartagena.